And so I think we designed for these flyers and make the potential buyers easy because we have QR code, right?
Right.
What is it, if they scan this QR code, what did it find?
So you see videos, you see the HOA, you see the taxes, you see the toll brother, I think?
The toll brother information
Yeah, the toll brother
and HOA, right?
The HOA
And
and
insurance.
Insurance.
Everything,
Obviously.
cool, and
Yeah, so
disclosures.
it's really cool, and then you get to see a 3D model, which is like amazing.
Yeah.
Some people don't offer that. And then it's a 4-bed, 3.5 bathroom, and
Two-car garage.
Two-car garage.
Yeah, and what's the square footage for this house?
2,579.
That's pretty much big, right?
Yeah.
And it's spacious, you know, in the first
super
floor.
spacious.
And you know, we can see here, and also have the island and pantry, and also we do have 4 bedrooms upstairs.
Yeah, 4 bedrooms, and then there's 3.5 bathrooms.
Okay,
So there's
that's
3
not bad.
bathrooms, and then there's a pot room.
Okay, can you just show to us? Yeah.
Okay, so right there's the island. I'm pretty sure you guys already saw that. And then when you come here, there's just like a little closet. And then this is the pot room right here. So
yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so you can go upstairs, check it out.
So right here is the master bedroom. It's really spacious. You can see that. And then it's really spacious. There's like a little outside you can see. That's the bathroom. There's the shower right there. And there's a ginormous closet. If anybody likes clothes, or if you just have a lot of clothes in general. The next thing there is another bathroom with just a bathroom, a laundry room, because you have to do your laundry. There's a room right here. Maybe if you have a kid or anything, you can just, they can have a room right here. All of these actually could be guest bedrooms if you haven't noticed. Closet and everything. It's really pretty. There's like a little room here, like a loft room, I guess, where you can hang out, put a TV there. This could be another room or a guest bedroom. Really spacious and cute. Right here, the closet and the bathroom, which has a bath. So this is basically just the overall of this house, if you like it. So if you like it, call my dad. His phone number is 999-377-6789.